I'm Carolyn Kaspersky, formerly known as the coordinator. Yeah, and I've been with the garden for 20 years. Started setting it up in 2000 at the old site. We moved here and about 12 years ago, 13 years ago, I guess, and yeah, it's just blossomed from there. Yeah, and we have 106 gardeners from all parts of Pickering. This has all come out of a little bag of seeds. It's like magic. You put a little morsel in there and it explodes into all this that feeds people, sustains people, both physically and mentally. It gives people an opportunity to get their hands dirty when they live in places that don't have any soil to actually dig in. And some fruit trees. Yeah. So we have apples, pears, cherries, all different varieties. And then we have more fruit trees over there.
Okay, my name's Dave Bullock. I've been here for 8 years. What makes the garden magical for me is the people. The people are really, really good. You get to see different cuisines, how people grow different items. It's just bloody marvelous. And we need a bit more diversity. We need some more younger people, because a lot of us are getting older now. But it is pretty good. You know, it's just to see all these people come together and helping each other. That's what's magical to me.
Hi, my name is June and I'm the food bank coordinator for the Valley Plentiful. It's the first year I've done it and it's been, I consider, quite successful considering COVID and the challenges we've had. I've got a great group of volunteers who come and help me. We've got 6 beds in total and we grow anything from potatoes to beans to squash and tomatoes. So this year, I say, it's been a bit challenging, especially with the weather, because with COVID we can only water every other day, depending on the bed number. And if it's an odd bed, it's an odd day. So it's 2 days. But all in all, we've been very successful. You can see from these zucchinis, they're growing quite well. They're really good, and the beans